Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a TV that's stuck on the wall mount. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your TV here and it's stuck on the TV mount. How do you actually go ahead about removing it? Now, there's two ways that you'll probably find online in order to do this. The reason why the TV gets stuck on the wall mount, in my case, is because the pull cords, which are the cords underneath here, were not working. So essentially what you'll see online is that you could actually use a tape measure. And if you lock the tape measure and sneak it underneath your TV, you can actually use the tape measure to actually pull the cord down so that it'll unlock your TV. Now, in my case, the pull cords that are located right over here were actually jammed. So the tape measure method didn't work. What ended up working for me is that I took a metal hanger and I actually placed it behind the TV so that it would push the prong that holds the TV in place outwards, and then it would unlock the TV. So by using this metal hanger, you can use any metal wiring that you find around your house. This is what I use to actually go ahead and remove a TV that's stuck on my wall mount. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.